Okay, this is one of the biggest 5Belows I've ever seen. That, to be fair, I live in a rural area. We don't have a lot of options. So I popped in here really quick to check out the arts and crafts section and see if there's anything new. So this is kind of neat. For $5, they have an adjustable art board. So it's just a table easel. Could also be good for, say, your convention display if you're selling books or selling original art. And then next to it they have, this surely cannot work. They've also got some wall art and marble pour kits, which we tried those out last year, as well as some polymer clay kits. So here is the arts and crafts section, looking a little bit picked over and not as big as I would like. And I'm not really seeing anything new this year over here that we haven't seen before. So if you're curious, you can check out some of my Crafternoon streams as well as my 5Below reviews. Although the carry-all is kind of neat and might be useful for organizing your arts and crafts supplies. Okay, so even though things are kind of picked over, this 5Below is pretty crowded, so I'm gonna call it a day and call it done. Although these little things are kind of neat. I have been looking for some interesting studio lighting, or at least something that would make some of the shots a little more interesting.